already. Uh, this is the day where my Ninja Trader is extremely slow and not sure what was going on. It was glitching. There was a ton of opportunities presenting itself throughout the whole morning session, basically. Well, after 9 a.m. This was me setting up a bit above 10 MA on the resistance level. The resistance level was overlapping 10 MA. And I ended up moving it a little higher because I realized there's even a stronger level in the 15 minute. And it's interesting to watch this because it seems the chart itself is not glitching, but placing orders and being able to move within the chart was glitching. Here's where I realized, oh, I could probably get a better entry on the 15 minute. So I ended up moving it a little bit. Either way, it was respecting 10 MA on the 5 minute, um, which is great. It gave me kind of the confidence for the trade that I did end up taking. Um, but then here I start thinking that we're heading back down and we have such a nice level to break on the low. Um, so I would love to kind of catch a few points on the downside, thinking that if it breaks pretty heavy. So I set up a sell stop here at the bottom. There it is. And I don't know, it's on 5x speed, so it's hard to tell. But the reason I had not set it up yet is because I cannot get the mouse to actually move. Um, a lot of times when you see these crosshair just staying still there, I was actually moving the mouse over and over trying to see if I can catch it. You see, so I'm there trying to get it to start working. Um, and here it's where I start thinking, you know what, we can catch the this bounce of the 10 MA again, and I'm thinking we can catch it all the way back to the bottom. Obviously, we're downtrending. We're going to continue testing that bottom until we break. It's my thought at that moment. I put it in normal speed here so you could see the how bad it gets. Um, I put my order um, right at 10 MA at this moment.
Order
That's my
filled.
order. You can already tell there kind of the how weirdly slow it is. Now this is me trying to set up my my target. Again, I'm not worried about stop loss here until the next candle. Um, Only obviously if we at this moment if we break over 10 MA, then I will go ahead and put that stop loss. But at this moment, I'm not too concerned about it. Obviously, anything can happen, and it's
Order
not
submitted.
ideal. I should have probably put it over the
Order
highs. That's
filled.
Consuela also glitching, not being able to put its bracket order, so it canceled the order it took. And yes, that stop loss should have probably gone over the high. Now I think about it, but I'm so focused on trying to be able to get this thing to work, and at this moment, I can't even move my mouse. So I'm panicking because I can't put anything. I can't put stop loss. I can't put target. I can't put anything. I finally get it to move, and just slightly actually. Somewhere over here. Again, you don't see it, but I'm moving the mouse trying to get trying to get my crosshair to work. There, I finally get it to work. I'm looking for my target. Again, originally I wanted to target the bottom again, but it's it's way too glitchy. I don't have a lot to be able to control it. There, I click it. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Hell,
11. You get the idea. Order still has not gone in. Still no order. And you saw me place it. So no order. Oh, we would have been out already. Now this order, obviously, I'm moving the mouse. I'm trying to.
what's going
I'm kind of freaking out on the other side.
on?
Still no order. The problem with these things is not so much, well, why are you freaking out? You're in the green. Yeah, but I don't have a way to get out of the trade. I don't have a way to do anything. I'm completely stuck in a trade. I don't know how long it's been, but that's life. Whoop! It finally worked out. It finally went in, and then again, I'm at this moment. I'm actually trying to put a break even uh, order, and I can't. So I end up going on my phone, opening my VPS on my phone, and you can see my mouse actually moving here because I'm out of the VPS. I'm on my phone, and but OBS still recording, and then I get back to the thing. There it is. It had already happened. Um, just shitty, but it actually does end up going on the way to the bottom. So it would have been an amazing Friday trade. Um, but it is what it is. It's what happened, and I'll just I need to figure out what it was. I'm thinking I need to restart the VPS, but that's my Friday.